Okay. It's your boy Marathon here again. So what I have on my screen now is the Great British Pound USD, and this is off the 4-hour time frame. So I'm switching to the 4-hour time frame, and I'm seeing what the market has been doing so far. And guess what? On the 4-hour time frame, we're still on the uptrend. The market is still pushing upwards. Where are my instruments? Here they are. So we see the market still pushing up to the upside. So you have demand strongly in control in this market. You can see price has been pushing up for a very long time. And guess what? We have these strong highs here. And looking at the past, we can see that is as a result of something behind here, but it's still loading and there's nothing there for now. So let's focus on this. This is on the 4-hour time frame, and I have my lows. I have the swing highs and the swing lows. So my whole focus will be here, and you can see we had that break of structure here that left behind a fair value gap. So we can call that fair value gap our demand zone, right? So I'll scale down to the 1-hour time frame. Then from there we can see our expectation of tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow we have CPI, that is a consumer price index. The data will come out. They're trying to check out how much individuals are spending on goods and services, how much are spending on the basket of goods. So this data will show us how much money is in the economy. So if the data can come out high, dollar will rise. If it fall, if the data come out high, that simply means there's a lot of money in circulation. And you know what the government always do? When the government tries to discourage people from holding money, they will reduce the interest rate and ask them to come. They will increase interest rate and encourage them to save. When they save, that's when they collect all the money from the economy. Okay, so that's that about the fundamentals that we're expecting tomorrow. So this is what I have now on my screen. And you can see when price got to this level, we had a change in character. On the smaller time frame though, on the minor structure, because we are still in an uptrend, but this is a minor structure because we might have price bounce off here before still up. But now this is off the 1-hour time frame. I've been seeing the series of break on structure to the downside. Very clean bearish order flow here. Break on structure to the downside. And you see price push to the upside to take out some liquidity that was forming here. If you can see here, you can see this is liquidity that was being created here for so long. And you see if you can scale down to, let's put it to 30-minute, to see the liquidity that price was trying to go and collect before pushing to the downside. So let's just take us down to the 30-minute. On the 30-minute, we can see we had some sort of, not really up above here, but if you can look clearly here, we had this this zone here. There was a fair value gap slipping here, right? A fair value gap slipping here. Yes, I think, yeah, this is it. And you see price tap. So with the community today, where I was sending out signals, I had a sell opportunity waiting here for me, which I shared with the community. I have my stop loss around 1.24615. That's where I had the stop loss. If you check on the signal group I shared earlier, and our target was here, but we ended up closing everything around here. So London session closed and we took our profit from here, and that was about 37 pips. We were risking 18 pips on that trade, so we closed 37 pips on this one. So the day ended like that, and the liquidity that was sleeping above here has been taken out. So we have this liquidity here taken out. Now we have price playing around here. So if I can scale down, so what I'm looking for tomorrow is to see how the market will react off this area now, right? I want to see how the market will react off this area now tomorrow. because we very soon we have Asian session starts. We have that Asian range. We need to identify the Asian highs and the Asian lows to see what we can take our, whether we are to sell this market or we are to buy. So guys, this is all my expectation of the Great British Pound USD. So this is of the 30-minute time frame, and I am waiting to see what tomorrow will look like. So I have this in mind. So before I go to bed every night, I always make sure I see the direction of where price is currently going to, understanding price action in this market. So of course now here we had this could be clear of liquidity. This was to take out liquidity to continue pushing the downside. Now have a new low. If you go to a smaller time frame, you see you have a series of lower lows here now. So you have a low, a low, a low here now. Maybe I'll go to the 5-minute time frame for us to see that clear. But I'm ending on the 30-minute here because I want to see what will happen tomorrow morning. So we can see you have here we had a low. This low was taken out. First we had a change in character here. And price left behind a fair value gap, and you see immediately the market arrived at a supply zone. It started rejecting until it actually dropped to the downside, right? It dropped to the downside, breaking another structure here. So we're having another structure being broken down, taken out here, and now we see price tap into the demand zone, because if you can look on a higher time frame like the 15-minute, you will see that there was a demand zone here that price tries to tap to before that changing character shoot to the upside. So you see price now trying to push to the upside. Maybe it's trying to target this other block here up here. But we just need to, as traders, all we need to do is need to exercise patience and see how tomorrow market will look like. So I must switch back to 15-minute and just keep this. So when I wake up tomorrow by 6:30 or 6 a.m., I need to see what actually took place around this level here. So guys, these are just my analysis for Great British Pound. So my expectation for tomorrow will be as a result of how this market will play out tomorrow. Peace.